Nikki here, and I am back with another video for Myfirstwig. We all know they have the beginner friendly, easy throw on and go type wigs, and look at this simple summer number that was sent over. I mean, if this doesn't look like it is growing straight out my scalp, look at the curl pattern. It looks so wet and good, guys. I am going to show you step by step how to put this on and how to get this look that looks wet, but it's not even wet. It's not wet. This looks so good, and I'm super excited about it, so let's hop straight into it. Alright guys, so I put it on the last loop of, I call it like a bra snap. That's the most relatable thing to me. And I'm just going to put the wig on, okay? And we're just going to see what we're working with. So alright ladies and gents, this is very much giving cute. Let's just go ahead and get all the hair out the way, etc. I like to pull it all the way down, then pull it back. See what we're working with. Look like we're going to have to cut some ear tabs. Let's take a clip. So here's the drawstring right here. We're just going to pull it tight as we can. Then we tuck it under. That way, like, anybody with any size head can wear this. And if you need to wear it up, you can. We're going to see what we have to work with on cutting the lace. Just going to get rid of some of this ear tab. It's way too much. So let's see where I want to start. Probably right there. So that way we can just do that number right there. And now we have our ear. The hairline looks absolutely amazing, don't it? So now we have both of the ear tabs cut where I can comfortably put the hair behind my ear. Let's spray it down. So I like to use the Even, the Sports Edition. I just pull it back a little bit like it's a baseball cap or something, you know. And then I go over the whole perimeter. So when I did my makeup, I made sure I didn't put it here. And I didn't put makeup on the lace before because the lace already has like a brown tint. But feel free to do that if that's what you would like. With this fan right here, it works super, super fast. When it gets to the point you can do like this and it don't want to come up, it's ready to come back down. I just hold it like this for a little bit so that my side tabs can go ahead and stick, because that's the hardest part on a wig, is these ear tabs, guys. Now that I have the wig adhered to my head, I'm gonna take a foundation, just a small amount, because I don't want it too wet and like loose, if that makes sense. A foundation brush, and you guys see where you can see like a cast a little bit? We're gonna go in and tint that with the foundation. Just take that away. So you guys can see now how you don't see that like whitish tint, but you still see it a little bit over there, right? So that's the point of that. Okay, now that we have the lace tinted, we're gonna go back in and just melt it with that same spray. The easiest technique for me with this is I just spray the comb like this. It's like it wastes a lot of spray, but I'd rather do it like this than have the spray running down my forehead, if that makes sense. Then we take that same fan. So I don't want baby hair, but I think I do want sideburns. Might be making a mistake here, but YOLO. Tie this down so it could go ahead and melt. It's sticking to my dress. Also, what you can do in this process is just move on. I'm going to take my wax stick and go ahead and mold, because I'm going to do like a to the back look. Because we're looking for like a wet look, you know? So we're just going to mold that hot comb and just comb through it. The part and everything look amazing on this wig. I will have all the details, the specs, the discount code, and everything in the description box below, along with everything I use, guys. Myfirstwig is known for beginner wigs, so all of their wigs are just like easy peasy to me. I'm going to put a little bit of this L'Oreal Slick Back Cream on here. It makes it look so good and sleek. Let's just go ahead and cut these sideburns. How long do I want to? Take my flat iron and give them like a little whoop-de-doop so they'll act right. Yeah, see how that automatically curled? So I honestly got a few products to make this work. So we're just going to talk about all of them really quick. You need a spray bottle. You can put water in here. You put water in here, you can add conditioner. That makes it better. Or like an oil. This is a curl cream from Cantu. And this is foaming mousse. And we're looking really, really good, guys. We look extremely well. Look at that hairline. What? So let's just get to work. The cream. Because we're doing like a slick back look. I already put some on, but let's put some more on. Because some parts was tied down, right? We want like this kind of look. I want it to look like I just came up out the water. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Like a model look. So let's go ahead and spray it down. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Thumbs up if y'all know where that come from. Good hair. We dang near want it fully saturated. After you wet the hair, you want to lock that wet. I'm spraying y'all. You want to lock that wetness in, or it's going to dry and poof back up again, right? So I'm not going to use this curl cream today. I got it out, but I think I'm going to more use the slick back cream and put it through it. Make sure it gets distributed evenly, because throughout the day you don't want certain parts to start puffing up because only certain parts got product in it. Next, I'm going to go in with mousse. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. What? Too good, baby, too good. Perfect for summertime. So now let's work on these sideburns. So I'm just taking a little bit of Gorilla Glue and just gelling them down out the way, guys. I don't want it to look like perfect overdone. Just, oof, yes. Do that. Guys, and there you have it. Such a cute little fun summer number, okay? It's so different. It looks wet. It looks like you just walked out the pool. It just looks so natural. So I will make sure I leave the direct link to this wig below, along with a discount code and everything else you would need to know about Myfirstwig. Let me know if you like it down in the description box, and I'll see you all in my next video.